Welcome to PMP Exam Express. I am Mark. In this video, we're diving into an essential topic for PMP exam, procurement contracts. Please subscribe and like our content. In project management, procurement contracts are formal agreements used to acquire goods, services, or resources needed to complete a project. Contracts outline the terms and expectations for both the buyer and the seller, helping manage risks, control costs, and define the quality and scope of the work. The three main types of contracts you'll see are 1. Fixed price contracts, 2. Cost reimbursable contracts, 3. Time and material contracts. Each of these types has unique characteristics, and knowing when to use them is critical to achieving project objectives effectively. Let's start with fixed price contracts. In a fixed price contract, the cost is set from the beginning. The buyer and seller agree on a specific price for the project deliverables, and this price remains unchanged, regardless of the actual costs incurred by the seller. When to use fixed price contracts. Fixed price contracts are ideal for well-defined projects where the scope and requirements are clear. If you have a strong understanding of what needs to be done and can specify the deliverables in detail, this contract type works well. It also provides cost predictability, as the buyer knows exactly how much they'll pay. Let's look into 3 examples of fixed price contracts. 1. Firm fixed price, FFP. The price is set and can't be altered unless there's a change order. 2. Fixed price with incentive fee, FPIF. Offers incentives if the seller exceeds certain performance metrics like early completion or superior quality. 3. Fixed price with economic price adjustment, FPPA. Accounts for long-term projects where inflation or other economic changes might impact costs. Next, we have cost reimbursable contracts. Here, the buyer agrees to reimburse the seller for all legitimate project costs, plus an additional fee, which could be a fixed fee or a percentage of the project cost. This type of contract offers flexibility in terms of changes to scope or requirements. Cost reimbursable contracts are suitable when the project scope isn't fully defined or when there's a high degree of uncertainty. They are also useful in research, development, or complex engineering projects where changes may be expected as the work progresses. Here are 3 examples of cost reimbursement contracts. 1. Cost plus fixed fee, CPFF. The buyer pays the seller for all costs incurred plus a fixed fee, regardless of performance. 2. Cost plus incentive fee, CPIF. Offers additional rewards if the seller meets or exceeds certain performance targets. 3. Cost plus award fee, CPAF. Combines cost reimbursement with an award fee based on subjective performance evaluations, offering flexibility in project incentives. Time and material contracts, often referred to as TM contracts, are hybrids. They combine features of both fixed price and cost reimbursable contracts. Time and material contracts work best for projects with an unclear scope or short-term tasks that require flexibility. It's commonly used when project needs evolve or resources need to be allocated on an as-needed basis. Important tips for contracts in project management. 1. Communication is key. Regularly communicate with all parties involved to manage expectations and handle any issues before they escalate. 2. Document everything. Detailed documentation of scope, terms, and performance metrics can reduce disputes and clarify expectations. 3. Monitor and control. Actively manage contracts by tracking project progress and ensuring all terms are being met. This helps with scope management and budget control. 4. Legal and compliance. Ensure all contracts meet legal and compliance standards relevant to your industry and organization. That's a wrap on procurement contracts. Remember, choosing the right contract type can significantly influence the success of your project, so take the time to assess your needs and align with the best option. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from PMP Exam Express. See you in the next video, where we simplify more PMP concepts to help you on your journey.